lowest price I've seen. Run. Hello everyone and welcome to today's Walmart video. So we're going to be sharing some sneak peeks on some new arrivals that just launched. Plus, Walmart has this, honestly, I'm shocked. I scrolled through 17 pages of Walmart beauty deals for their beauty glow up sale that's happening now through April 28th. And so many of my most used favorite items are in that sale, plus viral bestsellers that hardly ever run on deals. So I'm super excited. Make sure to stay tuned to the end so you don't miss anything. Like always, all of the items will be listed down below in the description box, correlated with the number you see on the screen, so it should make it super simple to shop. Let's go ahead and jump on in. New arrival to Walmart. This long sleeve denim dress is incredible. It's 100% cotton. It's really nice. The fabric feels really nice. It doesn't feel too stiff. I did size up to a medium on it. It is 35.5 inches from the top to the bottom. So this is kind of the length of it on my 5'9" frame. It does come in two other color options. I am just absolutely obsessed with it. I just went ahead and paired some little espadrille sandals for more of just an everyday casual look, but you can just throw on some gold jewelry just to kind of add a little bit of something to it. But I foresee this being a top seller, so I wanted to include this in a sneak peek of the new arrivals. But obviously, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button. You don't miss the full new arrivals video that is coming in just a few days. It also does feature two front pockets here, adjustable buttons going the whole way down the front. You can roll up the sleeves a little bit for more of an effortless casual look, or you can wear it full on down. But it's just a stunning denim dress. I want to grab it in another color. Sofia Vergara just launched for under $7 right now. They're kind of square boxy tees. Now these are honestly a closet staple for me for the spring and summer, especially if you're not wanting a tight bodysuit, you just want a flowy cool top. Opt for this one. The fabric is really nice and lightweight. Sofia Vergara typically runs larger on me. I'm wearing true to size small and I feel like it fits like a medium would. Keep that in mind for sizing reference. Comes in a bunch of different color options. I just love shirts like these. You can just throw them on. They're cool. They're comfortable with a pair of shorts. And speaking of shorts, Time and True relaunched their best-selling white denim shorts, 3.5 inch inseam. And what's so great about these is they have 90% cotton in them. So they're a really nice, stretchy, comfortable material that feels good on your skin. It does feature pockets. Now it does have a button fly there, but it does have two back pockets as well. A high-waisted fit. I went with my true to size 4, which I wear in shorts, and it fits perfectly. But I love these. I feel like they're an appropriate style short that you can pretty much wear anywhere. When you bend over, you're not going to hang out, anything like that. $15, just a great closet staple that you'll just wear a ton over the next few seasons. The one item that I feel like has just taken the internet by storm, we are seeing the Dyson Airwrap $120 off right now at Walmart. So it's the multi-styler. It comes with multiple different attachments to kind of give you different desired looks. Comes in 3 different color options that you can choose from. I foresee this being a top seller and could easily sell out. So if you see this, you've been wanting it, $120 off right now. You can get those big blowouts, kind of voluminous curls at home. It works for short and long hair. I mean, it just does it all. Tried and True Living Proof Dry Shampoo, you are seeing $6.50 being taken off, which honestly is great. This is one of those items that rarely runs on deal. A little bit goes a long way. So I only wash my hair about once a week. And then on day 4 and 5, I will just apply some to the roots of my hair. I'll rub it in and it's good to go. It has a very nice light scent. I'll usually let it sit in my hair. I'll rub it in and then I'll comb it out 5 minutes later. And it does the job. A little bit goes a long way, and Living Proof, you can't go wrong with this brand. Friends, run and add this to your cart. I feel like I have tried every single hairspray on the market. I have been using hairspray since freshman year of high school. I've always loved doing my hair, and I have very fine, but I have a lot of hair. And so I feel like my hair will lose a style very easily. I've been using this Kenra Volume hairspray. Everyone in my family has since we discovered it my junior year of high school. I have tried no better hairspray. You're seeing this today, $9 off. rarely runs on deal. Again, a little bit goes a long way. So as you're spraying it, lift your hair up and it helps to create volume. So if you're someone who likes to have volume in your hair, but what's great about this is I'll use this on day one when I curl my hair. The curls, the style will last all day long without feeling crunchy. And then you can keep using it afterwards. It doesn't feel like it gives that heavy buildup that other hairsprays have. And also it's a nice light scent. So must have hairspray. Now, if you're looking for some beachy summer waves, my favorite bedhead wave artist is down to $23. This is just one of my favorite hair items to go in the spring and the summer, especially if I'm on like a beach vacation. And the style will last me for like 3 days. Use it with the combo of the Kenra hairspray and you will be absolutely set. It does take about 30 to 40 minutes to do my long hair, but I'm telling you, you can make the most gorgeous, summery, breezy styles with this. I am obsessed and I got this, I think my like freshman year in college, and it has stood the test of time. Guess what? Olaplex is also a part of it. So their shampoo and conditioner I just ran out of, so I need to snag it now while it's on deal, but you can get it for $17 off for the combo of the two. Olaplex is high quality. It's sold in most salons. And what's great about this shampoo is it's bond maintenance. So it really helps with frizzy hair. It helps with those split ends and over time, just the overall health of your hair. And it's free of some of those heavy formaldehydes, sulfates, and parabens, which I always try to go for. But also the best-selling number 3 conditioner is a part of the deal as well. So this is great. You shampoo your hair, you kind of towel dry it to soak up that water, and then you leave this in there for about 10 minutes. And you only have to do this like once a week, once every 2 weeks, kind of depending on how often you wash your hair. And over time, this helps with breakage, frizz, and then helps to kind of strengthen and help compromised hair structure. So a little bit goes a long way on this, and it's down to $18, so you're getting $11 off. And the smell is just so lightweight, doesn't bother me at all. And I mean, I'm telling you guys, over time, you'll see a difference. We're all gonna have just glowy, amazing hair this summer after this sale. Another really great shampoo option that is a little bit more affordable than the Olaplex. This Monday hair care has been a favorite of mine for I think about 2 years now. Paraben and sulfate free, really nice lightweight scent. Now this is much more of a hydrating shampoo. So if you have dry hair, this is a great option. It has coconut oil in it, shea butter, and macadamia oil that just really help to nourish dry, damaged hair. I used to think that these under the eye patches were like the biggest hoax. Like I was like, do they really work? Are they just something that like makes you look cool when you use them? So I actually got a pack and I am now hooked. They're cooling under your eyes. So I love to use these in the morning as I'm kind of like getting ready, maybe throwing laundry in. It helps to depuff your eyes, as well as it has anti-aging properties, which you never can start too early with anti-aging items. Originally $23, so you're saving $11 for the whole pack, bringing it down to $11.59. So one of my favorites. It's something you easily can include in your little morning routine, and it just honestly is so refreshing. It's like natural caffeine for your eyes. If you're looking for those summer pearly whites, the 3D whitening crest white strips are a part of a deal. This is always a fan favorite across the board. Now's the time to snag them while they're on deal. Originally $39 for a pack of 28 treatments, so you're saving $8, bringing it down to $30 with this sale. I am extremely picky when it comes to leave-in conditioners, hair oils, all of the things. I, again, love a lot of volume. My hair is very sensitive to products. It gets heavy easily. This Unite 7 Seconds Detangler Spray I have been hooked on for about 2 years now, and it is the absolute best. Lightweight, but it nourishes, moisturizes, it conditions your hair, helps with the overall health of your hair over time, and a little bit goes a long way. I just put like 4 or 5 pumps in this, run it in my hands, and I'll put it from like here down, and I kid you not, it's just the best detangler. It lasts forever. So originally $54, you're saving $23, which brings it down to $31. And honestly, I feel like there's a lot of high-end, high-quality luxury brands that are on deal in this Walmart sale, which is just amazing. So again, a little bit goes a long way. This is 8 fluid ounces. The Revlon One Step Hair Volumizer Dryer is also a part of the Walmart Beauty Glow Up sale. Originally about $70, and you saving $31 here, which brings it down to $37. This is great, I would say, for hair that is like shoulder length and up. I know a lot of people with shorter hair love and use this. It's a little bit tricky to use on my hair just because I have pretty long hair, but if I just use it more of like a straight style, it works really well. So it's easy to go on the go. If you're someone who is looking for that blowout hair at home, this is a great option. My go-to concealer, Lancome, like that's a luxury brand, is a part of this sale, which is so exciting. This has been my go-to concealer underneath my eyes. It does not crease. It lasts all day long. It doesn't feel heavy. Hereditarily, I do have dark circles, so this does a really good job at lightening them without feeling cakey and getting those like under your eye concealer lines that nobody wants. And this little tube is down to $10. What a steal. If you have not jumped on the wet brush train, I have used this. I use this on my kiddos now for years. This is great because it helps with breakage. This is the only comb I use when I get out of the shower, hence the name wet brush. So when you comb your hair when you get out of the shower, it helps. Your hair is most fragile when it's wet like that. So this helps with breakage and damage. And I actually have the little travel size. I take this with me literally everywhere. But for the full size, it's originally $12. You're saving just over $3, bringing it down to $8.50. Also a part of the deal, you are seeing my vanity mirror in multiple different sizes on sale. So kind of depending on what size you go with is going to depend the percentage off. But I love this makeup mirror. It is stunning sitting on your vanity, but it also just helps you apply your makeup so much better. I find that I don't over apply makeup with this light just because the lighting is so good. So definitely a favorite. The curls that this 1-inch curling iron give are next level. I don't know what about it. It just gives like a really gorgeous shine to the hair, and it's great for long or short hair. So you also can wrap this. I love the fact that you can wrap your hair around the barrel as well as use the clamp. So when I curl my hair, I actually use a combo of both. And I feel like it gives that texture to your hair, helps the pieces not kind of form together and just make like one big curl. So this is a great option. Ceramic, and you get to save $43 for the sale. I do not like putting on like lash strips, but I have found a love for the little individual wispy lashes that you can just glue, and I'll just put like 2 or 3 on the outsides just to kind of accentuate your eyelashes for like an event or something that I might have. The Impress falsies are a part of the sale, so you can grab this pack of Impress falsies for just under $8, and they are reusable. So at the end of the night, if you pull them off and you just put them back in the container, you can reuse them. Nioxin. This is a recent discovery of mine. It is a scalp and hair shampoo. So I was pumped actually when I saw this was a part of the deal. So this is a little bit different than like your typical shampoo. It helps to remove those oil causing sebum that your scalp can get. It also helps with dandruff, and it has special fatty acids in it to just kind of help the overall health of your hair, and it helps to thicken it, which is great. I know we all love a good thickening product, but this also is color safe, so you can use it whether you have color treated hair or not. Highly recommend this. And guess what? You are saving $55 on the set of the shampoo and conditioner, bringing this set down to $37. I have yet to see it on deal like that. Grab a pack. I'm gonna grab another pack. Our tried and true favorite makeup applying sponge is down to below $5. The Real Techniques, I have used their makeup brushes and their sponges for years and years. They are reusable. But it's rare that you find these sponges on deal. So you could stock up on a few of them. To clean them, I just use like my normal face cleanser, and I'll wash it like every other day just because I have very sensitive skin. But these, I'm telling you, are a great look for less for the beauty blenders, and you can snag them for under $5 now. And the beauty blender ones are upwards of $20 for one sponge. If you enjoyed today's video, you love these beauty finds, let me know down below which one you're most excited about. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future Walmart try-ons. I mean, the new arrivals are top notch. You're not gonna wanna miss them. So hope to see you all next time.